Insights. The time is now for investing in the digital workforce and driving your hyperautomation journey. Because in uncertain times like now, automation can help businesses with business viability and continuity. The returns on the digital workforce are considerably high. It can optimize your KPIs by automating even complex processes which may require input from human workers. Also, digital workforce is not a threat to your human employees. They can work side by side, can provide actionable insights and help improve overall organizational productivity. In the area of automation, hyperautomation is considered as the next phase, and we believe the digital workforce will take you there. Basically, hyperautomation is the use of multiple tools and technologies along with RPA to amplify automation. Here, you can see how the automation journey has developed so far from task-driven automation to processes-driven and data-driven. Now we expect this journey to be driven by intelligence. Traditionally, RPA is already automating routine, rule-based, repeatable, mundane processes. In comparison to that, hyperautomation looks at the next generation of business processes, which may be long-running, complex, and which may require human knowledge input or decision-making. Hyperautomation often creates a digital twin of the organization and allows the organizations to visualize how automation of processes and functions impacts KPIs. The organizations can visualize different variables which otherwise was not seen. These digital twins of the organizations continuously provide intelligence in real time and help them make AI-driven decisions. We believe, to achieve this level of automation, you will need something more than RPA, and that's where the digital workforce comes in. When we see automation within the insurance companies, at the moment we mostly see use of RPA and Digital Workforce 1.0. With the evolution of digital workforce technologies, we expect to see businesses using more of future versions. So what is digital workforce? Insurance directions define digital workforce as digital workers. Software solutions that automate processes to improve an organization's efficiency. They are armed with artificial intelligence to leverage and constantly learn to produce outcomes. The digital workers continuously understand and analyze data, can discover patterns, predict outcomes, and offer recommendations. In the industry, they are also referred to as intelligent digital workers, intelligent digital workforce, intelligent RPA, or intelligent automation. The base technology for the makeup of digital workforce is RPA. The typical tools and technologies that are used with RPA are artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, business process management, process mining, workflow engines, decision management tools, low-code application platforms, etc. However, at Insurance Directions we believe that digital workforce will continue to use new tools and technologies to accelerate intelligent automation. With the added capabilities by AI technologies, digital workers can handle and automate more complex tasks. The ones that are long-running, have complex workflows, even the ones that require human knowledge input. They are just like their human counterparts, they can manage more than one processes, they can prioritize them, and can be even trained to fulfill certain requirements. The digital workforce can work with structured and unstructured data. They can analyze, can discover patterns, can predict outcomes, can offer recommendations, and can even make AI-driven decisions. Digital workforce can connect to many business applications and can proactively discover new automation opportunities. They can access data and processes to automate that otherwise inaccessible. With digital workforce you can upscale existing RPA investments with required add-on tools and technologies to achieve intelligent automation. They can drive your automation journeys and ultimately can help you achieve your long-term digital transformation goals. So far we saw what our digital workforce and what it can do for insurance companies. Here, I would like to show you what returns it can bring. When talking with early insurers piloting in this space, we learned that even though return on digital workforce was measured differently from organization to organization and from processes to processes, the returns were still very significant. On an average, these insurance companies observed 50 to 80% improvements in process efficiency. The processes varied from typical transaction processing to IT operations. Digital workforce also raised organizational productivity by 50 to 70%. And this gain was observed in wide spectrum of processes from new applications and claims processing to underwriting and actuarial functions. The digital workforce also helped insurers with cost savings by 30 to 40%. Typically, this cost reduction was observed in policy serving, payout processes, and customer support. Another big benefit a digital workforce brings is massive savings in time. On an average, the insurance companies have observed 1 to 3 months savings in time when the processes like accounts payable, receivable, contract management, agents licensing, renewals, etc. are automated. RPA is already helping insurance companies in automating traditionally high volume, high manual, labor-intensive processes. But with digital workforce, mere automation of mundane tasks is augmented with cognitive capabilities or artificial intelligence to achieve desirable outcomes. The digital workforce has potential to deliver meaningful customer experience and support, improve decision-making, and provide valuable insights into operations and processes. By handling more complex processes, digital workforce can boost an organization's productivity even with lower or same number of people. So overall, the top 5 factors why insurers should adopt digital workforce are: to optimize operations throughout the business, like new policy generation, policy administration, underwriting, billing, claims processing; to reduce costs; to provide up-to-date customer experience; for governance and compliance; to retain customers, bring new business, and grow. As you can see, the digital workforce can be effectively used in various processes in the IT, finance, and customer care departments. Also, they are equally useful in some of the core functions in the policy, claims, and billing. At iInsurance Directions, we believe use of digital workforce is effective, economical, and empowering for the organizations. They can be deployed fast, sometimes straight off the bot store. When installed, they generally do not require you to change your core IT infrastructure. It improves user productivity and operational efficiency without compromising quality of the task. The insurers can also customize their offerings for customers based on recommendations by the digital workers, resulting into increased sales, retaining customers, and reducing churn. We believe that the investment in automation technologies is growing fast. Investing in digital workers should already be high on your priority list. To get full benefits, insurance companies need to address their approach, their vision, and their deployment processes. They need to create their own process automation roadmap with long-term and short-term goals. Pilot and think about what technology to utilize and how to deploy solutions and the best vendors suited for your organization. Insurance Directions would recommend choosing a vendor or vendors with rich ecosystem, rich marketplaces, rich set of integrations and APIs. It is helpful if the solutions are platform independent and can support many applications. Also, choose a vendor with experience in service for the insurance industry and have support models to meet relevant SLAs. And last but not the least, we believe the current COVID-19 pandemic is likely to push automation of processes further given the current new normal of social distancing, optimizing staff availability, and saving costs. But remember, digital workforce cannot replace human employees but can work best side by side. In fact, they are likely to help human workers achieve better results by providing them with collaborative intelligence. Hence, it is vital to maintain fine balance and optimize the benefits.